Let's say if you're given a task to calculate the expiry date, which is going to be 10 months after this check-in date, and the expiry date has to be the last day of the month. This is how you do it. You say equal Eomonth, which stands for end of month, open parenthesis, check-in date will be the first argument, followed by number of month, close parenthesis, and hit enter. This will give you in serial days format, which is the number of days since 1st January 1900. Now to convert this into a regular date format, press Ctrl 1 to open up format cell. Make sure you're on the numbers tab. Under category, select date and select any of this format that you want. I'm going to select this one here and click OK. And this will give you last day of November, which is 10 months after January. I'm going to apply to the rest of the rows like this. And now if the condition change, and let's say if you want it to be the first day of the month, all you have to do here is you're going to have to subtract the month, which is going to make it to the last day of October. And then you're going to have to do +1, which is +1 day, and hit enter, which is going to give you the 1st of November.